name anywhere on the poster. So nowhere on here does it say the movie Alien or Aliens. It's all represented by the single character. Some other detail. I don't know if I have details of this. Oh yeah, I do. And the way I'm doing these, I'm staying like consistent with the font and placement and everything. So it's like the title's always in the, or the tagline or whatever is always in the same spot. Credits are always in the same spot. So hopefully when I'm done and I line them all up, you know, they'll feel like part of the same family. It's Buckaroo Banzai. This one turned out good, even though the struggle was crazy. Like, this was so hard to, like, conceptualize. I don't know. This Atari symbol and everything. But we're trying, you know, different styles and things, just getting creative with it. It's, you know, we got, what, 26 movies to go? Or 26 posters total? Let's look at some details on that. But yeah, it's just all Illustrator. We're not using Photoshop for anything. I think this is the only one where I actually dropped in, like, a background graphic, like an unsplash image to kind of sell the desert idea. Let's see, what's one of my favorites? Oh, Interstellar. I love this one. So this one is, yeah, you see like the letter I is kind of like cleverly built in, and then we're using, you know, Gargantua from the movie and some other stuff. But yeah, titles, everything's all in the same spot. We're trying to get like actual credits, so it does look like a legitimate movie poster. Not 26 to go. We've done, I think, what, 9? 8 or 9? That's right, in space no one can hear you scream. That's right, in space no one can understand the title of your movie. It does, yeah, we started these a long time ago. Some details from it. We'll just like do 2 more and then we'll get back to the letter R. Let's see. Dark Crystal's on the list to be next. Same with Dune, Event Horizon. This one didn't turn out as amazing as I had wanted, but nonetheless, it's the letter E for Event Horizon. Yeah, I'll be finishing. Yeah, we'll be wrapping up here in like 13 minutes. Get my day started. This is mostly like me screwing around with like Illustrator 3D, coming up with like kind of an idea. But using the gate or the gravity drive, it's the letter. Let's see, Stargate, Vertigo. Oh, Vertigo turned out amazing. It's one of my favorites. I like the letter V. It's like built into the shape of the tower, and this crazy perspective like creates the letter. Let's see if I have like a sketch of that. I have my sketch like as a, it's like its own image. But yeah, it turned out cool. Like just the details are neat, like the body and then the guy up there. Yeah, M was Matrix. I have. This is like also a thing for me to watch the movies. Like, I've seen them all, so I have an idea of what's going on. And that's, you know, it's an excuse for me to watch movies and make something at the same time. Let's see what else. Oh yeah, Matrix was pretty good. There you go. So we have like the letter M, like created out of the negative space of the buildings. It's fun though. It's like a fun project. And this is all using Illustrator. It's the perspective. The what the heck is it called? The perspective tool in Illustrator to do all this. So each poster I'll kind of latch onto like some tool in Illustrator and be like, oh yeah, we'll just use like the 3D perspective only, you know, to do most of this, or we'll do like gradient mesh and do a lot of that. So I'm like focusing kind of on a tool, you know, maybe to learn it more, just like, you know, just like practice with it. And these are for like no particular reason. I'm just doing them just because. Let's see, Stargate. I guess we'll go through all of them as well. So here's Stargate. Oh, next is Office Space. Because once I complete Office Space, I'll have the letter O, so these posters will spell out the word. Yeah, it's like, here's some other examples of. This is like the Pinterest part of it, where I'm looking up ideas. But once we get the letter O, we'll have enough movie posters to spell out the word movies, and then I have like a website that's going to go up around it to make this like a designer project. If you've ever seen like the 100 Days UI or any kind of like logo project, it's like 30 days of logos, things like that. I'm going to do like a movie version of that, like a movie poster alphabet thing, and just put a website around it. Also, it'll be like a mini portfolio just for these. You have the DOS screen? Yeah. 100 days of movie posters. These take me like, one of these takes me about, hour-wise, it might take me 6 to 8 hours to do one. So, and the time I can work on it is just like randomly throughout the week. So, I average about one poster every week and a half, maybe. Sitting here staring at my folders. War Games. Oh, this was the first one that kind of kicked it off. It's the War Games poster. And this was like a doodle from my sketchbook. I was like, you know, this would be cool if I just used like the letter W to make the movie War Games and like build all the stuff around it. I was like, you know what, I bet I could do that for every letter of the alphabet with a favorite movie. Oh yeah, send it to me after the stream, Louie. And I know your name's Louie now. Not Lewis. No, that's not my real name. No, my real name's Matt, of course. Matt Guyver's like, you know when you're in high school and you make like stupid videos? We made like a series called Matt Guyver, which was like a blend of like Indiana Jones type stuff. You know, like the junk you do when you're kids. But it was a fun name. Like, here's my sketch. Dumb and Dumber. There's so many other cool movies for the letter D. Anyway, yeah, so that's that project. We've got like 10 minutes left before I need to get my day started. Don't hear it anymore? Yeah. Everyone says Lewis. Well, I didn't know. Like, Erica was pronouncing it Louie, and I was like, wait, is that how you say it? She's like, yep. Yeah, I'm excited to get back to the movie posters. It has been a while. Like, it's been since before October, I think, was the last time I worked on them. Mostly October, a lot of my time was taken up with that Inktober challenge they do. It's like, I'll do Inktober. And it just takes me a while. I'm not like I'm not super good drawer. Finishing up an Android app, and I need to make some icons for my buttons. I have some Pixel software, but I kind of want to just do normal lines in white. Do you have a program that you could recommend? Have you tried, like, do you have any of the Adobe programs? Hey, Dish. Good morning. Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Oh yeah, my Instagram has them. Every now and then there will be a word bubble that pops up with my... Oh, you know what? That's the thing. I'll make a command for social media stuff. Yeah, I have. Louie's pointing out that I haven't done that yet. It's, hold on, I'll get it for you. Instagram. There you go. I'm just gonna start copying some of these other things over here. So I'm pretty happy. I think this is coming along pretty well. We've got like our colors, you know, in the right spots. Needs a lot of work here. I want to do something better with like how this connects with these. I don't know what to do yet. Same thing over here. This will pick up like stylings from that. But just we have a few minutes left, so those are my thoughts on what I'm going to do to kind of finish this out. I'll post the letter A on my Instagram after the stream sometime today, and get this one. This one should be complete. Oh, I don't know, maybe Tuesday or so this week. Nightbot. Yeah, definitely. No, you can set it up. There's a dog hair on my shift. Where'd that come from? Looks like we have a hairy dog here.
That's your voice.
It's a big puppy. Nightbot, you're drunk. Go home. Yeah, and like it's here. Like I don't know. I do like having it, you know, lighter in the middle. It's fiery, but I'm not sure about. Yeah, so I'll mess around with that. Hey, Sistin, good morning. Thank you for the follow. And welcome. Adventure Time Worldwide. Good morning. Thanks for the follow. Okay, these are pretty nice. Let's do this. Wrong button. Let's hit the F instead of the G. Let's fix this a little. I like how these appear to connect, so what I might wind up doing is putting like something that kind of spans both of them to, you know, complete the illusion that they're like connected somehow. Oh, there we go, perfect, thank you, yeah. Yeah, all the social things. Thank you so much. Let's grab this one. And this little fiery piece off to the side here. There it is. It was the piece de resistance of Nightbot commands. Nightbot is never on point. The Louie's got it under control. Nightbot is a lot of fun. What I can do is add like a glow in the middle. This, I think. Let's just eyedropper it and see what we get. Nightbot is the true troll of Twitch. Yeah, and my website, I need to update that. I think it's just, I need to like rethink some of it. I cleared out my store because I'm gonna try and move all my posters and things off of Redbubble. And actually, Redbubble's really old, actually, for me.